Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial, an easy way to do maths. If you like my channel, subscribe it, like it and share it. Hi friends, welcome to Sumi's Maths tutorial. Today's topic is Class 8 CBSE Exercise 2.4 Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable Exercise 2.4 Fourth problem. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? We don't know the original number. So, in original number, that is a two-digit number. So, one digit in ones place and another digit in tens place. Now, the solution. Let us suppose that the number in ones place is x. Given that the other number is 3 times the first number. Therefore, the number in tens place is 3x. Now, the two-digit number is called 10 into 3x plus x. In previous class, I explained how this comes. Is equal to 10 3 is 30x plus x. Also given that if we interchange the digits and add the resulting number to the original number, we'll get 88. So I am interchanging this x, it is coming this side, and 3x will come this side. So 10x plus 3x is equal to, this is the first one. After interchanging, we got another one. Second equation. Now add 1 and 2. That is, what is the first one? 30x plus x plus second one 10x plus 3x is equal to 88. 30x plus x, that is 31x. 31x plus 10x, 41x. 30x plus x, 31x. 31x plus 10x, 41x plus 3x, 44x. So 44x is equal to 88. Then x is equal to, this 44 is here multiplying, when it comes this side divides. So 88 by 44, 44 2s are 88. So x is equal to, what is x? The number in ones place is x. So it is 2. The number in tens place is 3x. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So in ones place is 2 and tens place is 6. So the number is 62. Next. Fifth problem. Shobo's mother present age is 6 times to Shobo's present age. One boy is named Shobo. His mother's age is 6 times to his age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are these present ages? Shobo's age is, if you assume it as x, then mother's age is 6 times to him. So 6 into x, 6x. After 5 years, we have to calculate. So let us assume Shobo's present age be x years, given that his mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's age. Therefore, mother's age is 6 years. Also given that Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. That is, mother's present age is 6x into 1/3, 1/3 is equal to what? Shobo's age after 5 years. So, x plus 5. 3 2s are 6. So 2x is equal to x plus 5. Now bring all the x terms one side. So 2x is plus x. When it comes, this one becomes minus x is equal to 5. 2x minus x is equal to 5. Then x is equal to 5. What is x? Shobo's present age is equal to 5 years. The mother's age is equal to 6x. That is equal to 6 into 5 is 30 years. Next, sixth problem. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4 at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat at rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? There was a plot, rectangular plot. Length and breadth are in the ratio 11:4. So length is equal to 11x and breadth is equal to 4x. They want to do fencing here. Fencing means outline. So you have to find the outline, length of the outline. So that is nothing but the perimeter of the rectangle. So you have to find the perimeter of the rectangle first. Length of the rectangle plot L is equal to 11x meters, breadth B is equal to 4x meters. The perimeter is, what is the formula for perimeter? 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 11x plus 4x. 11x plus 4x is 15x. 2 15s are 30 meters. Cost of fencing per meter is equal to 100 rupees. How many meters are there? 30x meters. So cost of fencing per 30x meters is equal to 100 into 30x, that is 3000x. This is the perimeter. But by problem, the cost of fencing is equal to 75,000. How much you got? 3000x. So this 3000x is equal to 75,000. X is equal to 75,000 by 3000. These three zeros becomes cancelled. Then 3 25s are 75. So 25 is the answer. What is 25? X is equal to 25. So length is equal to 11x. That is 11 into 25 is equal to 275 meters. And the breadth is equal to 4x. That is equal to 4 into 25 is equal to 100 meters.